Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making carrot and orange juice. Very healthy and absolutely tasty. It is ideal for beautiful skin and also works for detox. So keep watching to see how I made this. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you. First, I'm going to wash my carrot really well, peel and cut into cubes to enable my blender to blend very well. Carrot has so many benefits. It contains beta-carotene, and this will convert to vitamin C inside your body. It helps to repair skin tissue, protect your skin from harmful radiation, and also brightens your skin. It is also helped to prevent wrinkles and reduces the appearance of blemishes. Carrot is also great for hair growth. Once that is done, I'll set it aside. Next, I'll wash my oranges and lemon cut open and use my manual juice extractor to extract the juice. Oranges are very high in antioxidants and it helps to fight premature aging. It does exfoliate the skin and help dry out acne and also help to improve overall look of your skin. Lemons are a good source of vitamin C and also improve digestive health. Once that is done, I will use the orange juice to blend the carrot. You guys, this juice is very tasty. No water added and no sugar. I'm going to blend until smooth. Once I'm done blending, I will use my cheese bag to sieve it, and that is it. So refreshing, tasty, pure juice and super healthy. I hope you give it a try. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye!